Now, sleep is a bit of a weird category because most of the time, the things designed to help you sleep actually end up making you more aware of the fact you're trying to sleep. You got big headphones, foam earplugs that block everything out, or devices that feel uncomfortable from the moment you roll onto your side. And if you've ever tried sleeping with normal earbuds in, you already know how that usually ends. Now instead, these are the FitNexa Somni Pods 3, and instead of trying to completely isolate you from the world, the whole idea here is to make sleep a little bit easier, a little bit calmer, and a lot more comfortable, especially if you're a side sleeper. Now the first thing that really stands out with the Somni Pods 3 is just how small they are. They sit incredibly flush in the ear, and that low profile design is absolutely intentional. Now these aren't earbuds you're meant to notice once they're in. They don't stick out and they don't press into your ear when you're lying on your side, and after a while you genuinely forget you're wearing them. Now with normal buds, it just adds too much pressure in a single point. You really feel them when you lie down, but instead these tuck in nicely with a nice flat design, so you do feel it when you first put your head down on the pillow, but it is still comfortable. Now if you're a side sleeper, this is the part that matters the most. I've slept on my side with these, I've turned over, I've shifted positions, and never had that sharp pressure point you get with normal earbuds. And the ear wings also help you keep them secure without needing it to force them deep into your ear, which also helps with comfort over longer nights. Now it's important to be really clear about what these do and don't do when it comes to noise. The Somni Pods 3 use a combination of active noise cancellation and passive noise reduction, but they're not designed to completely block out the world. They combine active noise cancellation with passive noise reduction to significantly reduce disruptive sounds around you, but without creating that overly sealed, pressure-heavy feeling that you sometimes get from foam earplugs. Instead, they're just trying to take the edge off. So things like traffic noise, background hum, distant voices, or environmental sounds that get reduced to a much more manageable level. And for me, that's actually the sweet spot, because you're not lying there in total silence, but you're also not constantly being pulled out of that half-sleep state due to sudden noises. And one really smart thing that FitNexa has also done is build alarm handling directly into the application. If you're using noise cancellation, you've always got that worry that you could miss an alarm, but thanks to that built-in alarm clock in the app, you don't have to worry about sleeping through. Now the app allows you to set alarms so they come through exactly when they need to, which is a genuine concern with sleep earbuds and often something that can be overlooked. Now the app itself plays a big role here. Alongside the earbuds, you get access to soundscapes designed for sleep and relaxation. You can even create your own sleep mix. You got things like white noise, ambient sounds, and calming audio that you can use, and it just helps you unwind. Now the nice part is none of this is forced. You can use the earbuds purely for noise reduction, purely for audio, or a mix of both depending on the night and what you personally want. And there's also sleep tracking and health-related data inside the application, and you can look at things like sleep habits, nutrition, and exercise, and all the data is pulled from your health apps if you already use them. Now I wouldn't call this a medical tool of any kind, but it's a general overview instead, and it's useful for spotting patterns and understanding how different habits affect your sleep over time. Now what surprised me a bit is that these are genuinely good for regular audio use as well. If you're watching something on your phone in bed, the sound quality is clear and balanced, and the biggest benefit for me is I can now watch content without waking my partner who goes to sleep much earlier. I get good audio, she gets good uninterrupted sleep, and my ears aren't sore after 20 minutes. Battery life is also solid for what these are designed to do as well, and you're looking at around 6 to 7 hours with noise cancellation on, which covers most nights. But if you enable the option for ANC to turn off once you've already fallen asleep, then that stretches closer to 8 to 10 hours. Now the charging case holds around 48 hours of charge, and this makes it great for traveling even if you haven't got power, especially if you're sleeping in unfamiliar or noisy places. Now you can see design-wise they really are tiny, and of course that's the design and the purpose. They're low profile and comfortable to make them great for wearing over long periods or long nights. The charging case is also relatively small, and it holds the earbuds magnetically and charges them while doing so, and there's no buttons or anything, just a nice simple design with a USB-C port on the back, and they even support wireless charging. And when it comes to the unboxing, that's also nice and simple as well. We've first got the charging case with the earbuds already inside them, we've then got the manuals and documentation, a cleaning tip, and a USB cable. So who are these actually for? Now I'd say the Somni Pods 3 make the most sense for people who struggle to fall asleep, live in noisy environments, sleep next to a partner or travel a lot, or just want to make bedtime a little bit calmer than normal. They're not a magic solution and they won't fix sleep issues on their own, but as a tool, they genuinely help take friction out of that process. Now for me personally, they make falling asleep that little bit easier on nights when my brain just won't switch off, and sometimes that's all I need. I don't need silence, I don't need isolation, just fewer distractions and a bit more comfort. If you want to go ahead and check out the FitNexa SomniPods 3 for yourself, of course I've placed a link down in the description below along with a $10 discount code, so you can go ahead and grab them now. And I'm hoping I've covered everything in today's video, but if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions about them, then just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.